Hey everyone, Mike with El Yucateco here, and today I'm going to be sharing my spicy ramen soup recipe with you. And if you haven't followed us here yet, you're going to want to do that by heading down and clicking that button so you don't miss out on any of these great recipes that we're putting out. Now, if you're like me and you love a good, hot, spicy soup, no matter what time of year it is, then pay attention to this video. We're going to be doing a unique egg recipe to go along with this ramen for some protein, and it all starts by hard boiling a few eggs. So get your eggs into a pot of water and boil those. If you like hard boiled eggs, you're gonna wanna boil those for about 13 to 14 minutes. If you're more of a soft boiled egg person, that can be as little as 8 to 10 minutes. Now I recommend going that full 14 minutes for this recipe because it's gonna make these eggs a lot easier to work with, and you'll see why shortly. Now, as soon as those eggs are done boiling, go ahead and peel them. Next, it's time to infuse these eggs with some incredible flavor. So we're gonna start with a few tablespoons of soy sauce in a pot, and we're gonna kick that up with some El Yucateco Red. Now get that on medium heat and bring that to a gentle boil. Place your peeled eggs into the pot and use a soft utensil like a silicone spatula to roll those around gently. Allow them to sit for about a minute or so per side. Once these eggs are fully coated and they've soaked up some really nice flavor, go ahead and remove them from the pot and set those aside. Now it's time for the ramen. So go ahead and start with some chicken broth in a pot. And once again, we're gonna kick this broth up with some more El Yucateco Red. A few drops of that, then bring this to a nice gentle boil and add your noodles. Cover that and boil those noodles for just a few minutes until they're done to your liking. Now we're gonna put all this together by serving it up. So transfer your ramen and your broth into a bowl, and we're gonna add some beautiful flavor and color to this dish. We've got some chopped cilantro, chopped green onion, shaved carrot, a few jalapeno slices, then slice those eggs in half and place those in the bowl as well. We'll hit this up with just a few more drops of El Yucateco Red to really kick it up and finish it off. And here we go. It's time for my favorite part of the video. I want to start by tasting some of this broth. Cheers, everyone. That is so full of flavor, and it just has some beautiful, beautiful kick to it. Now, I'm not a ninja when it comes to chopsticks, but we're going to go ahead and give one of these eggs a try. Be right back. I got to get some of these noodles. All right, so with just a few extra minutes of work, you can take a basic, inexpensive lunch like ramen and kick it up to the next level. There is so much flavor in that broth, and those eggs are off the charts good. So if you want to add a little protein to your ramen dish and kick it up with some extra flavor, this is the recipe for you. I want to thank you very much for hanging out with me today. As always, really appreciate your support. Don't forget, till next time, to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. And I'll see you on the next video.